Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase CapCut video quality. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open the CapCut application on your device and select a video you want to edit. After that, tap on the video and scroll down through the editing option below and look for Adjust. Scroll through again until you find Grabs. Bring the right circle from the top to the bottom and left circle from the bottom to the top. Do it with all the colors. Once you're done, go back to the editing options and search for video effects and look for the option called blur. Apply the effect for the rest of the video, then export the video in the highest resolution. After that, go back to the video you are editing before and add the video you just exported as an overlay. Make sure its size is the same as a normal screen and revert the original clip back to normal. So you have to remove the blur effects. Click on the original clip and scroll down until you see Adjust, then click on Adjust and then tap the reset option at the top left corner. It will return the original clip back to normal, and make sure that the overlay is perfectly on top of it and look for the option blend, then tap the burn option and set it for around 20 to 30. After that, you can go back to the landing page and add another overlay. Then, when you are in the stock photo, you should add another layer for a better option. Moreover, you should also add a white stock photo and fill the whole video with it. Once you're done, you can click on the white photo and look for the blend option. Search for the overlay option, and once you're done, set the white photo down to 85. It should be clear up and the video should look brighter and better. Lastly, go back and look for the adjust option, then look for brightness. Then adjust your brightness and saturation based on your preference, and it's done. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.